Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you so dearly for always tuning in. I really appreciate. Today, the first time you are coming across us, so you are hearing this voice for the first time. We still remain Progress News and we give you all the latest updates. Remember, in this platform, we react to all videos and your opinion is highly needed. So sit back, watch this video, and I'll be right back.
I am not that rich because people demand a lot, both monetarily. They must know that I have tried. If I give you the one that I can, take that one. I'm not that rich to attend to your or everyone's need. I am even struggling to take care of myself, but I still try to reach out to people. Now I want to start the program that brought me here. If you read on your gadget, you will see. Now I have discovered the deception of Simon, as they say. Collins, Metu, you are welcome. As they say, today, this morning, I learned that Mazen Namdekano is going to court, so I do not pay attention to court or whatever. Chinenye Sunday, thank you. Thank you, Chizobo Ukafo. Share Bikono. Everybody share to many groups so that people will be here to listen as well. Abi Tome, okay, I have seen you. You arrived. Thank you. What I have to say this morning is very, very important. Very, very important. If you read your write-up on your gadget, you will see. Now I discover the deception of Simon, as they say. You must underline it, as they say. Now I have come to understand that the only deception, nobody is perfect. The only deception Simon is doing to those of you following him is because he is following diligently every strict laws for Biafra to come. I understand that. Mark it. That's the only deception. Now, listen to what I have to say now, because it goes a long way. The people who told you, the people in DOS, there is something that is happening now that every one of you must understand and must condemn. You remember, last year I said it in my prophecy. It appeared in my prophecy, which I was saying that very soon people will start killing each other. Now, the people in the OS who said that they have no weapon to fight Nigerian government is now having weapon to fight people who are under Simon, entering camps to fight. I am on social media. I get information everywhere. Someone told me what was happening. That Sapele or whatever, Sapele or whosoever that he is killing people who are saying that they allegiance to Simon. He enters their camp, bump into their camp, kill them. I am saying this for posterity's sake because tomorrow they will change the narrative. I cannot watch our people. Money have exchanged hands. Our people are no longer doing the other time. Izombe. Someone reached out to me. A villager at Izombe told me that the village is running away, not because of police or military. No. It's now the people being controlled by DOS. They are entering houses, kidnapping and killing people. Snatching of cars. Snatching of motorcycle. Chibuike Nwosu, you said that you are not happy. May I know the reason why? Because if you people did not give me information, I will not have information to say what I'm saying. May I know the reason why you are not feeling happy? I am on this social media here just because people reach out to me through social media. They are now, listen to me, the deception of Simon is because Simon want Biafra to come. But the same people who said that they don't have any weapon to fight, as they said, and which weapon are we going to use to fight? They now have weapon to go and fight those who are allegiance to Simon. They now have weapon to go and fight our people, snatch, do motorcycle snatching, they snatch and sell, do motorcycle snatching, car snatching. Why they are doing all this manner of evil against our people is to turn our people's mind against Biafra struggle. for our people to say, is this how Biafra will come? Because somebody who reached out to me, a villager at Izombe, told me that everybody is now running. They are now asking, is this how Biafra is going to come? Instead of this, they don't want the Biafra that they will come and kill them overnight. Are you now understanding where I am going? Chukwubuike Nwosu said, our leader's court case have been adjourned to September. I told all of you, adjourned to September. Have you seen? This is the deception. Why the DOS, the criminals in the DOS, China Samoru and the rest of them are deceiving all of you in the name of we know what we are doing. We are going to court. The court that keep on deceiving you people. Why they are deceiving all of you on the Radio Biafra? They have now shifted their arms against the people supporting Simon. They go house to kidnap. They go house to burn. They go house to house, perpetrating all manner of evil against our people. And our people are now asking, is this how Biafra will come? Instead of this, we don't want Biafra that our lives are not secured. I am speaking this based on you hear that I am alive. Things are no longer going to be the same. The deception of Simon is because Simon tells you the truth. Everybody is facing their anger. You are not happy. Go and hold the people in DOS. Ask them what they are doing. The little people who are culminating, gathering that they are doing something as information read out to me. DOS are going one place or the other, killing the people, our people that they cannot give allegation and sell out to Nigerian government. They give people allegation, they sell them, they kill them. The people who survive their allegation, they themselves go and kill them by their own selves. And this idiot, this Michael Ezala will go and support Ikenguru. Oh, Ikenge is a Machineke. He did not know that our leader was kidnapped. Our leaders suspended Ikenga because Ikenga insulted our leader live on a program. He called our leader a pure liar. But the same Ikenga now is the people that they are going to support. Are these people not foolish? Are you people not stupid? The same person who called Mazen Nnamdi Kanu a liar, that Mazen Nnamdi Kanu lies so much, that Mazen Nnamdi Kanu is lying against Uchemefo, the same Ikenga that have now become special Machineke. He have now become somebody that is having Mazen Nnamdi Kanu's interest at heart. Somebody that is on suspension before the kidnap of Mazen Nnamdi Kanu, and the DOS called him back. Are you aware that this guy that died, what is his name? This our brother that died, somebody should remind me his name. German, Austrian Page. Austrian Page is having cancer. The same Austrian Page who last year alleged that I was threatening to kill Sampe Master. They just ferment lies. I look at people saying, oh, Austrian man, rest in peace. I do not wish him death. I never wish anybody death. But if you support evil and that evil happens to you, I can never wish you anything. Let Elohim take the course. I hate evil in my life. I am not in support of any evil perpetrated on anyone. I just wake up. One day, people are telling me, oh, have you gone to Austrian Page? He said that you are threatening to kill Sampe Master. I said, what? Where is that one coming from? Threatening to kill Sampe Master. How? And I went to his page and I read about myself. I was like, is this how these people wake up and ferment lies and post on their blogs? Are you aware that before the death of Austrian Page, Ikengu Uruagu was asking for fund from Governor of Anambra State, Soludo, and Ifeanyi Uba, I think Capital Oil, and Marie Ude. Marie Ude, if you don't know, is co-header of Mazen Nnamdi Kanu. She insults Mazen Nnamdi Kanu at every point in time. Now, if Austrian Page is really in the line of fighting for freedom, why are they, the DOS, not bringing money? Because in IPOB we have a lot of money. Bring money, go and treat Austrian Page. But they never. What they did is to do fundraising and tag Marie Ude. Marie Ude that hates Mazen Nnamdi Kanu with everything in her. they tag her. This thing. That means they are now working for them. They are working for Soludo. They are working for Ifeanyi Ubah. The same Ifeanyi Ubah that was fingered at the kidnap of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, which Ikenga was the person. The same Ikenga that was on suspension. Somebody that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu suspended on himself. Because Ikenga, on his platform, said that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is a pure liar. Before the kidnap of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, he went on his platform to call Mazi Nnamdi Kanu names and said that Mazi is a pure liar for saying that Uchemefo is evil. The same Ikenga is now the people that you idiots are following. Fools. The same Ikenga is in charge of calling the names of our people, snitching and giving their locations. The same Ikenga was the person who said, please help Austrian page. He was tagging Soludo and the Mariude Nwachukwu that headed Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, and Ifeanyi Ubah, the same person who was fingered at the kidnap of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, which said that the private jet that they used to bring Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is not his own. It belongs to one of his friends, according to people, information I read on social media. The same people, all of you. Now what you people are doing is, Simon is evil, Simon is evil. Now you are going on the ground to kill people in the name because they supported Simon. You are going kidnapping and killing people. Are you not evil? What's the definition of evil? What's the definition of evil? You are the person who said that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu said, let our land be peaceful. You are the same person who heard that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu said, let our land be peaceful. You are the same person using thugs to kidnap our people and ask for ransom. Because according to you, you said that Simon have closed, nobody is contributing money. If you call for fundraising, Simon will counter it. So there is no excess fund. So you now kidnap our people, kidnap their cars, sell them. And most of them are living large. The one that is spending me now is the innocent villagers who have supported this movement. Oh, we are clapping for Biafra to come. They have supported the movement. Now the innocent villagers are bearing the brunt. If they need money, they go house to house. They come. We are this, we are that. They kidnap you. They beg for ransom. You pay them. At Izombe right now, people are now running away from their villages. The same thing is happening in Anambra State. In Anambra State, are you people not foolish? Every day you make me to understand this deception of Simon. The only deception that I have seen Simon done is that he won Biafra. He's being strict that he want Biafra to come. Now, you that claim that you are in the right direction, you are now going to court. You have no people to enforce the release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, but you have people to enforce the killing of our people. Now, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu court case have been extended to September. They will come and tell you, oh, cool down, September, everything is going to be all right. We have to do this. The barrister, Mr. White, Carlo White, will still come and tell you how good it is. By September, we will now badge them. We will now ambush them. With some of you, we have our facts and this. He will speak some English to confuse all of you. And every day, the ill health of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is deteriorating. You know, I keep on singing this far back. Let us focus. How did you conquer the first time that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was kidnapped? And this time money exchanged hand. The people that was Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's arch enemy suddenly become the people that have Mazi Nnamdi Kanu at heart. Suddenly, they become the people that have Mazi Nnamdi Kanu at heart. Who are the people that was Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's arch enemy? It was Ikenga. Ikenga was suspended by Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. But you people are now saying, oh, Ikenga watching Eke. Maria Udamachukwu is never even supported Mazi Nnamdi Kanu for anything. In fact, some of her platforms, she said, nobody should share IPOB something here. But now when they write nonsense, they tag, oh, Mario Damachukwu. The same person that was using Mazen Namdekan as a caricature. That is the reason why I tell all of you supporting DO shit, or whatever you people call them. I ask them, DO shit, what have you done for the release of Mazen Namdekan? You are busy deceiving your gullibles. In the name of you are in the nest and you are anything you say goes. Did Mazen Namdekan not say that anything Uchemefo said goes? Where is Uchemefo today? Is it only DOS that they said anything they said goes? The same Uchemefo, in fact, Mazen Namdekan went as far as saying that if some strategies to get Biafra is three, that he knows the three. I mean, if strategy that to get Biafra is four, that he knows the four, Uchemefo knows three. All of us knows two, or thereabout. I have forgotten how he quoted it. But the same Uchemefo that they said he knows three, turned the struggle upside down and started following Asani Dokuba at the back. The same Uchemefo that Ikengu Uruagu is answerable to, because Uchemefo is the person that brought Ikengu Uruagu. And it was because of Uchemefo that Ikengu Uruagu had to insult Mazen Namdekan and said that Mazen Namdekan is a pure liar. So you people don't know this. It's better that you know and start asking your DOS, why did you recall this particular man that insulted Mazen Namdekan? And the same man who insulted Mazen Namdekan is where Uchechi Okukano is now going to. He can is inviting Uchechi Okukano, the same person who insulted your husband. And that is the where I have problem with that Otakomaka. Evil of the highest order. That the people needed freedom. You never care about their freedom. Now you are doing everything. This sit at home, every time sit at home, every time sit at home. They have now begin, them themselves and DOS, have now begin to identify and kill the people. They themselves, they are now, okay, what? You said that you are bringing another thing after the sit at home, which you call off, which you confess that commissioners reach out to you. 45 million to rewrite the distance. You said that you are bringing it. You have not brought anything. Now, what you are bringing in the table is killing our own people, kidnapping and snatching of people's cars. Aromeru. My people, Aromeru. Kidnapping and snatching of people's cars. The same people who are boasting that they are the right channel. Now, Mazen Namdekan have gone to court. They shift him to September. The people that they are killing is the same people. The people that DOS are now going on the ground to eliminate. Why I am bringing this is because they are faster in changing the narrative. Tomorrow they will tell you, oh, it is because Simon is betraying. That is the reason why Simon is using his own people to go after their own people. For you people to know, a community, a villager, wrote, I think on my Facebook here, he reached out to me that they are now running out of village. The guy said at Izombe, the guy said that he have done concrete information. There are two camps in Izombe. One is for DOS, the other one is for Simon. Those ones that is being controlled by DOS, those ones that is being controlled by DOS are now doing where they get money is from the community. They come, they beat at will. And the people in Izombe is.
So my wonderful family, that brings us to the end of this update. Do well to like the video, share, and subscribe. Thank you and bye-bye.